Ow, my eye.
Oh, yes. McDonald's! Wow!
I can just put my face in.
Huh?
It's a dream come true.
Yes. Different toys, Barbie.
By the way, I have all of this.
Oh. And there's even the same. And look at this. Let's see. We'll put it in a nice bag, all of it.
Oi. There's even a...
Wow.
What's that?
And, oh, 1 and 2, and a Happy Meal box. That's it. That's your prize.
Calling Daddy. Why is there like this? Why is there like this? Because every time I mail things, I already...
There's even this, so it could be a... Oi! This could be a gift certificate. Let's see.
Give me.
Let's see how much it is. Are you videoing?
Yes.
Oh, video it. It's a gift certificate. Look. Oh, there's even a sticker.
And
Must be an important.
I'm gonna keep that envelope. There's nothing inside.
I have...
Oh,
Wow, this certificate 100, 200,
100 done. McDonald's money.
300,
Yay.
400,
100 McDonald's money.
500, 600, 700,
800, 900,
1,000 pesos!
We're rich.
Yeah, almost.
Give me those.
Dali lang.
Give me the money.
Huwag mo, habang mo na dyan.
Wait.
Pipicturean pa natin. Oh, Daddy, worth 1,000 pesos McDonald's gift certificate. We're really lucky, no, Daddy? We're lucky.
Hey, can I stop?
1,000.
Mommy, I'm going to
Yeah,
stop
there's a
videoing
lot
now.
of Happy Meal.
I'm going to stop now.
Yeah! Ayan, so we're using this gift certificate that we got from McDonald's here in McDonald's Malolos, and we ordered from this machine. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Yeah, very high tech. Alright, Cassie. Can I see? Ito yung order na worth 1,000. Yan. Happy Meal and a lot of stuff. Ito yung Happy Meal nila ngayon. So cute. These are our orders. Yan. Nakalagay sa eco bag and the drink will be here. Buti pumayag naman sila. So this is what we got from the 1,000 pesos gift certificate from McDonald's. We got 3 Happy Meal toys and all of this. Quarter pounder, 2 burger McDo from the Happy Meal, 1 ebi chicken or chicken tempura burger, apple pie, McFlurry, caramel sundae, 2 orange juice, and I think this is soda, milkshake, French fries, this is nuggets, this is 2 pieces chicken, and spaghetti. There you have it, 1,000 pesos worth. And yan! Oh, okay. Oh, look there. Good evening, everyone. And now we are going to have our McDonald's Mukbang. And thank you very much, McDonald's, for the 1,000 pesos worth of gift certificate that you gave us. Now we are enjoying this.
Are you ready?
Oh, sige na. So, what do you wanna eat first?
Oh, no it.
Ito, maganda kasi yung Happy Meal nila
Can you open
ngayon.
it?
Yeah. Kasi, would you like to show it closer to them?
Yes.
Show it.
Boss baby.
Alisin mo sa plastic so you can really show what's inside.
A boss baby. Baby. And then when you open it,
What's inside? Oh, Boss Baby.
boss baby inside a boss baby head.
Yeah. So, that thing is like a keychain or something. What's inside that one? What's the picture? Can I see it?
Baby corn and
Oh, parang Polly Pocket.
oh my god, boss baby
Like
said is so
there's
soft.
there's like a scene here from the movie.
Yeah.
Baby Corp, it's a logo, and
Good boss baby.
cute naman. What can you put in here? Medicine tablets. Does it have like a ring there?
Yeah.
What else do you have? Oh, so we got only 3 because these are the
Wait,
3
let me
most
put the keychain on.
favorite of Cassie. Cute! I like Shrek. Yeah, Shrek and Poe. She also got Poe.
Okay, so a little Poe head, Poe panda, and then inside.
Cute! Can I see what's inside?
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
The Poe,
nice.
Kung Fu Poe.
Oh, look at this. You can actually flip it out like this. Oh.
Yeah, I know.
Wait. Nice. There you go. And Poe's father. Adopted father. What is his name?
I don't know.
You forgot?
Yeah.
Okay. But that's what kind of animal is that?
A goose.
A goose. So, what else do we have? Shrek. Can you
Yeah.
show them Shrek? Hurry up.
Okay. Shrek head, and inside, a tiny little Shrek. That's the plastic.
Can I see the picture?
Yeah, sure. Hello.
Fiona is here.
And wait, what the babies?
No. Oh yeah, the babies are here. There.
Woo!
And the what do you call his house?
Swamp.
Yeah, the swamp. Yeah, so there you have it.
I only know
So,
one of
let's
his
eat.
babies.
You know what? You have a milkshake here. Do you want to put this in the freezer? later first, or you wanna drink it up? So the good thing about McDonald's right now, they changed their lead into this, parang na siya, ready to drink na, because there's like, you don't have to use straw because nilagyan na nila dito ng parang sippy cup siya. Although it's still plastic, I'm wondering if this kind of plastic is the new, what you call that, yung eco-friendly plastic. Can you turn it off? My favorite quarter pounder with cheese and okay guys, so this concludes our McDonald's feature. We're not eating everything because we cannot do that.
I can.
No. We're saving the rest of this for tomorrow. Initin lang namin dahil usually mommy's busy. So, we'll just warm lang namin yung mga ibang burgers. And we still have the spaghetti and the chicken. So there. Okay, thank you very much McDonald's Philippines for this very generous price.